Hi buddies, welcome back. Today I want to show you how you can customize the back tab here on your iPhone 15 Pro. If you press on that logo here 2 times or 3 times, then you can say what you want to happen then. For that, we need to go to our settings again. Here we need to go to accessibility now, and then we need to go to touch. And here we need to scroll down to back tab, double or triple tap the back of your iPhone to perform actions quickly. Right now it's turned off, but we can turn that on. And then we can say what we want to happen if we double tap the back. Camera, control center, home, lock rotation, lock screen, or well, you have a few different options here. You can also make a screenshot with it. So we'll set that. And then for the triple tap, we want to have the magnifier. All right, so let's try that. If I tap on the back 2 times, it makes a screenshot, and if I triple tap it, then the magnifier turns on. So that's a pretty nice feature on the iPhone 15 Pro. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.